Here's a story based on a cricket-winning moment in Nepal. Please subscribe my channel. Start now. The golden moment of glory. It was a crisp winter afternoon in Kathmandu. The Tribhuvan International Cricket Stadium was packed with spectators, their cheers echoing through the valley. Nepal's national cricket team was competing against a formidable opponent in the final match of the regional T20 championship. For years, cricket had been growing in popularity in Nepal, and this tournament was an opportunity to prove their mettle on the international stage. The match was crucial, not just for the players but for the entire nation. The young Nepali team had already surprised everyone by defeating higher-ranked teams to reach the final. A victory here would mark a turning point for cricket in Nepal and inspire countless young cricketers. The stage is set. The day started with a palpable sense of excitement. People began gathering outside the stadium as early as dawn, waving the red and blue Nepali flag adorned with the sun and moon. Inside, the energy was electric. Drums beat in rhythm with chants of Nepal, Nepal, as the national team walked onto the field. Nepal won the toss and elected to bat. Skipper Paras Karki, the backbone of the team, led from the front. The openers walked in confidently, but nerves were apparent. The opposition bowlers were aggressive, and the first few overs saw Nepal losing quick wickets. At 45 for 3 in the 7th over, the pressure was immense. But then came the partnership that changed everything. A game-changing partnership. Deependra Airy, Nepal's middle-order hero, joined forces with Arif Sheikh. Together, they steadied the ship with smart singles and occasional boundaries. The crowd roared as Deependra smashed a 6 over long on, a shot that reignited hope. Their partnership brought the team to a respectable total of 160 runs in 20 overs. It was a defendable score, but the game was far from over. The team huddled together during the break, with the coach emphasizing the importance of discipline and unity. The bowlers had a big task ahead, and the crowd knew it. Jaya Nepal, chants filled the air as the players took their positions. The bowling attack. Karan Casey opened the bowling attack, and his very first delivery was a wicket. The batsman, caught off guard by his pace, edged it to the slip, where Paras Karki dived to take a stunning catch. The crowd erupted into cheers, and the momentum seemed to swing in Nepal's favor. However, the opposition's middle order fought back fiercely, keeping their hopes alive with some powerful shots. With 20 runs needed off the last 2 overs, the tension was unbearable. Fans were on the edge of their seats, praying for a miracle. The final over. It all came down to the final over. The opposition needed 10 runs to win, with their best batsman on strike. Captain Paras Karki handed the ball to Sandeep Lamichhane, Nepal's star spinner known for his composure under pressure. The first ball was a dot, as the batsman struggled to read Sandeep's googly. The second ball was a single. On the third delivery, the batsman attempted a big shot but ended up skying it high into the air. The ball seemed to hang for an eternity before Arif Sheikh safely took the catch. The stadium erupted in applause. With 2 balls left and 4 runs needed, the tension was unbearable. On the penultimate delivery, the batsman struck a powerful shot, but Rohit Paudel sprinted across the boundary line and stopped it, saving 2 crucial runs. The equation was now simple: 2 runs needed off the last ball. The winning moment. Sandeep adjusted his fielders and took a deep breath. The crowd fell silent as he ran in to bowl the final delivery. It was a perfect leg break, deceiving the batsman, who missed the ball completely. The wicketkeeper whipped off the bails in a flash, catching the batsman out of his crease. For a moment, there was silence. Then, the umpire raised his finger. Out. Nepal had won the match. The stadium erupted into cheers, and fans spilled onto the field, waving flags and hugging strangers. The players celebrated like never before, lifting Sandeep Lamichhane on their shoulders. The victory was not just a win on the cricket field but a symbol of the potential and resilience of Nepali sports. The aftermath. The celebrations continued late into the night. Streets across Kathmandu were filled with jubilant fans dancing and singing. Social media was flooded with congratulatory messages for the team. The victory was more than just a sporting achievement, it was a unifying moment for a country often divided by geography and culture. The players, too, were emotional. Paras Karki, in his post-match interview, dedicated the win to every Nepali cricket fan. "This is just the beginning," he said. "We want to take Nepal cricket to even greater heights. A legacy begins." This victory marked a turning point for cricket in Nepal. It inspired a new generation of players and fans, solidifying cricket as a sport that could bring the nation together. Youngsters began to dream of donning the national jersey, and cricket academies across the country saw a surge in enrollment. The golden moment at the Tribhuvan International Cricket Stadium would be remembered for decades as a day when Nepal showed the world its spirit and determination. It was not just a cricket match but a testament to the power of dreams, unity, and unwavering belief.